Ever wondered what led to the demise of the centuries-old monarchy in France? What sparked the flame that ignited one of the most significant revolutions in human history? The answer lies in the tumultuous years of the French Revolution, a period of political and societal change that saw the toppling of King Louis XVI and the rise of radical political forces. The French Revolution began in earnest with the Estates General of 1789. This was an assembly representing the entirety of French society, but it was heavily skewed in favor of the wealthy and the clergy. The First Estate, the clergy, and the Second Estate, the nobility, were vastly outnumbered by the Third Estate, which represented the common people. However, voting was not done by head count, but by estate, meaning the first two estates could outvote the Third Estate 2-1. This led to a growing sense of resentment and unrest among the common people. The tension reached a boiling point when the Third Estate declared itself the National Assembly in June 1789. This was a direct challenge to King Louis XVI and the existing order. The king initially resisted, but after the storming of the Bastille in July, he had no choice but to acknowledge the National Assembly. Scene script. From then on, France found itself in uncharted waters. The National Assembly began to dismantle the old feudal, aristocratic, and religious privileges and aimed to create a constitutional monarchy. The king and queen became increasingly unpopular, especially after their failed attempt to escape in 1791. As the revolution continued, France found itself at war with Austria and Prussia, who sought to restore Louis XVI to the throne. The pressure of war, coupled with economic hardships and internal political strife, led the revolution to take a radical turn. The monarchy was abolished in 1792, and King Louis XVI was executed in January 1793, signaling the end of more than 1,000 years of continuous monarchy in France. The period known as the Reign of Terror followed, with thousands of perceived enemies of the revolution being executed. In 1799, the political landscape changed again with the coup of 18 Brumaire, led by Napoleon Bonaparte. The French Consulate was established, marking the end of the French Revolution and the beginning of Napoleon's rule. In summary, the French Revolution was a tumultuous period of societal and political upheaval. It began with the Estates General of 1789, saw the rise of the Third Estate, the downfall of King Louis XVI, the Reign of Terror, and finally ended with the formation of the French Consulate. The French Revolution not only changed the face of France, but also had a profound impact on world history, shaping modern notions of democracy and human rights. It was a time of great turmoil, but also of great change, and its effects can still be felt today.